welcome back. Michael Harding here from the Academy of Financial Markets. Okay, in this lecture, I want to show you guys how to use price alerts. Because in the last lecture, I showed you guys a little bit about risk management, and I was explaining how this trade here with Aussie USD, it might have been a little bit premature, and getting in where we did might have been too early, exposing a little bit too much risk. And I made the suggestion of having more discipline, waiting for a better price. Like, for example, if it fell down to this declining level of support, like for example, if it fell down like this and then we are expecting a bounce, this would be a good area to execute a buy position. Now, when it comes to patience and discipline, it's sometimes it can be difficult. I'm going to be honest with you guys. I personally don't like sitting in front of the computer all day long watching these charts. So sometimes it's a good idea to put in price alerts. So if the price falls down to a certain price point, we will be alerted. Okay, and you can do that with MT4 or MT5. In the bottom terminal, if you just click on the alerts tab and just right click, and you can create new. And here I'll just go ahead and put in Aussie US. Okay, and so if the bid is less than, let's say if the bid is less than 0.7811, let's say that, so 0.7811, okay, that's the noise that we will hear. Okay, now if the bid is greater than 0.78, we will also be alerted. So I'm just going to go ahead and hit OK, so then you guys can hear the noise. So there it went, because you see the price is greater than 0.7811, and you can actually click and drag on the price alert on the screen there. I'm just going to go ahead and modify this for a second, and I'm just going to go ahead and put that. So if it's less than, and I'll hit OK, so then that way we're not getting alerted all the time here. So now I can go ahead and I can leave my computer, I can watch TV, I can go about doing my daily things, and once I hear that noise, then that means we are now entering into the territory where we might be considering executing a buy position. Okay, so that's basically what I wanted to explain about the importance of price alerts. It really helps you guys to maintain a good level of patience. So yeah, there's a lot more to it, guys. I'm just basically explaining all the basic stuff. Just because price does fall down to this level and you are alerted doesn't necessarily mean that you should be buying it. There's a lot more that goes into trading. For example, if we're starting to get a lot of momentum that's picking up towards the downside, we're starting to see a lot more aggressive bearish candles. If it does hit this level and test this level of support, I personally would not be interested in buying it, only because once momentum starts picking up, chances are this level of support might break. Okay, and so support and resistance does tend to hold up, but there are times when it does tend to break, and we need to be aware of that. So it all really depends on price action and how price action is moving towards this level of support. As we're getting alerted, if price action looks good, it doesn't look like there's much strong bearish momentum, and it looks like there is strong possibilities of us getting a bounce, we might see, we're always looking for lots of confirmations, but if we are seeing lots of possibilities of a bounce here, okay, then that's when I want to get in and make my trade and then put in my 30 pip risk. Okay, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, guys, and be sure to tune into the next video. Thank you.